guys, so this is Chris here, Raccoon Tactical. Going to be doing just a quick unboxing. As you can see here, got some of my daily ballad songs. Just recently started getting into these. I am no expert by any means, but I know quality when it comes to it. Got the Kershaw with Flytanium handles. Then got some zippy extensions there on my Cold Steel Archangel. Then got the Max Ace Phantom 2, another one that I really enjoy. Move some of these out of the way. And then got the Squid Industries Cracker-Akin. And today I'm just going to do an unboxing of a trainer because, well, I'm a big chicken and I don't feel like cutting myself. So this is, I want to say it's like $40 or $45 on Amazon. Let's see here. It's Marcolo, the name brand on it. It's got really nice acoustics, on par with my Cracker-Akin there. Seems very well made. Set that guy there. And, oh wow. So they send a T10 bit for adjustments. And you have a little baggie, let's see here, we got spare bushings. So this is actually a bushing trainer, so it's really akin to the Squid Industries Cracker-Akin. But as you can see there, you've got all kinds of extra goodies. So what we will do is we are going to cut this video a little short because I want to get acclimated with it, and I will pick up later. Okie dokie, guys. So back at it. So looks like we got some extra washers, extra bronze washers, extra pivot pins, and extra bushings. So this guy is, let's see if I can pan out a little bit. There we go. Please don't pay attention to the desk. Yeah. But yeah, this guy's got some nice acoustics to it. I don't smack my desk. Anywho. So yeah, I mean, it's very, very nice. Let's see. There's no tap and play. So I mean, I know you can get some lemons, but yeah, this is pretty nice actually. This should have came in a day sooner and this right here wouldn't have happened. I was actually playing around trying some stuff with one of my live blades, and nicked myself, but I'll see if I can figure out this YouTube stuff and try to do like a link or something down in the description if y'all are interested. Again, this brand is Marcolo, and I mean, the texture on this is just outstanding. I mean, it's not slick in the least, but it's slick in the right areas, you know what I mean? And just as comparison, I mean, we've got US made Squid Industries here. Now theirs is roughly the same. Yeah, and this is the bad little boy that gave me that. But I mean, there's a side by side of them, and the whole mechanism that makes this so buttery smooth you have in this one. But yeah, if you're looking to get into ballad song flipping like I was, really a couple of things I really recommend. Yeah, there's cheap ballad songs out there, but do yourself a favor and go ahead, start off with something halfway decent. I mean, on the secondary market, these crackerackins can be had for a couple $100. Um, and I mean, they're perfectly weighted. And if you aren't quite ready for that, but you want to get a good feel, I mean, sub $50 Amazon, that is a win. Because I'm going to tell you, Squid are some good guys, but they're like their Squid trainer is like, I think it runs 160 or so bucks, less than $50. Do yourself a favor. I'll be sure to try to get that link for you in the description below. Also, on a side note, we will be doing a giveaway as soon as I can hit my 200 subs. Got a couple of ideals for that. Also, I've made the conscious decision, barring any last minute setbacks, to do some videos from Blade Show Atlanta this year. So be sure to like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications. I may start popping in, doing pop-up lives come Blade Show. So stay tuned, guys. Peace.